Just like its name, this small device aims to be an essential fit in your life. Samsung Galaxy Fit E, where E stands for essential. In this quick unboxing video, we shall see if Samsung's offering has everything essential for your fitness or not. The packing of this gadget is very compact and even on shaking does not giving a rattling clue as to what is inside of it. Still, I looked around the box hoping it to be a made in India product, but it wasn't. It was made in Vietnam. Among other things, the box mentions its marketable features like long battery life, water resistance and auto fitness and sleep tracking. Well, enough of the outside. Let's start unboxing for your impatient eyes. After unboxing, you again find brand reminders that it is indeed a Samsung product. Beneath the reminder, you find two very interesting literature articles, the warranty card and the user manual, which you may want to go through to understand not only your device but also to understand the warranty terms. So naturally, I skimmed through my studies within 10 seconds and rushed to start playing with my new toy. However, as you will see, the luck was not in my favor. The next item that came out of the unboxed box was a small cute cable, at one end of which is the USB connector to connect to your PC or charger, and the other end is a very uniquely designed charging head. I must mention at this point that the user manual warns you that you should charge your Fit E device with Samsung chargers only. After thoroughly inspecting the empty box, finally the bad boy, and my very first fitness/activity tracker is out of the box. And boy oh boy, does it feel light in weight. Well, not only very light to hold, but this device's finish is a plain beauty, which looks like a unibody. This device's 0.74-inch monochrome display gels into the strap, and it is very difficult to tell where one ends and the other starts with only a touch. To be honest, I need to tell you that my first encounter with the clasping mechanism made me feel like a monkey with an iPad. However, I must tell the clasping mechanism is very firm, indigenously designed, and never for a second did I feel it coming loose. Just to verify, listen to the reaffirming clicking sound 5 seconds later. The device is very upper to look at and the clasping mechanism is awesome. But hey, how do we turn the device on? So I brought back the manual and figured out that in order to start this device, you need to connect its charger. This charger vaguely reminds me of 3PIO droid from Star Wars. However, even on connecting, it still did not start. So in my desperation, I started pulling the charger cable. Finally, a Samsung rival came to help to jumpstart the device. And my joy simply knew no bounds when I saw the device turned on for the very first time. But hey, wait, now it needs a Galaxy wearable app on my phone? What the f? After downloading the Galaxy wearable app and connecting it to Fit E device via Bluetooth, I found a strange issue. The device simply won't respond to touch and behaved randomly. It could have been a setting or configuration problem. But like all other software engineers, I simply decided to upgrade the firmware. The 1.81 MB upgrade took almost a decade to download, and for this I give big thumbs down to Samsung's upgrade servers. Within the application, you have tons and tons of settings to personalize your device. For instance, you can rename it to Apple iWatch, reset all your settings, and restart it from the app itself. You can wake up the screen by double tap, by raising your wrist, or by both. Personally, I prefer the double tap. Also, you can turn on a Do Not Disturb mode and also set a schedule for dimming your device's light. If you are not a great fan of vibration, then you can turn it off as well. The most important item that I found in the application was the capability to add more widgets. My personal favorite being the continuous heart rate monitor. You can even reorder the widget sequence if you want. Another practical utility in the application was to locate your band by buzzing it. Helpful as it may sound, I found the vibration on my table to be so feeble that I actually had to pick up the Fit E device to see if it was even vibrating. Thus, there is a good chance this feature may not be very useful in real life. Well, I must give a big thumbs up to this device for being a very thorough product. You can also control which applications' notifications can actually show up on your device. Practical advice here though, stop almost all notifications except call and messaging and you shall be burst out with a great and happy battery life. To quickly summarize, this non-intrusive ultralight activity tracker is packed with features. It offers you continuous heart rate monitoring, tracking for 90 plus activities with Samsung Health app, and is water resistant up to 50 meters. It also claims to have a great battery life. All these features make Samsung Galaxy Fit E a very good and yet inexpensive fitness tracker which has a brand name attached to it. Very soon I'll be coming up with the first real world test and review of this device, the video of which is currently in post-production. So stay tuned, do subscribe, feel free to comment, spread the word, spread the love. You are in Tech Conversation with Alok Singh and you were watching the unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy Fit E fitness tracker. Goodbye.